All right, great. Welcome back. My name is Michael Smith, and today we're going to go over the TubePilot. TubePilot is a Chrome extension. This Chrome extension is used to streamline the upload process. So if you're a streamer and you've got hundreds of videos, or you upload 3, 4, 5 videos a day, or for whatever reason, upload or download the TubePilot extension, and it's free. So you're just going to go to the Chrome Web Store, and upload that. So the first thing you're going to see once you download it are these two tabs. You got your account tab and your product tab. So your account tab is just going to show you, of course, the account that you're logged in as and your credit balance. We also have a couple of other features here, including a method to purchase credits. So if you click on that, it's going to take you straight to Stripe, and 150 credits is about $5. Let's go ahead and return here. And you also have this open panel on this page. So there's a panel, that's the main area you're going to work in. But before we do that, we're going to explore the products tab. So the products tab, if you have more than one channel, or you have more than one product, let's say you're a company and you do necklaces or something, right? So what I would do is I would go in and I would click add product, and here I'll click on this right here, and then you have the product name. So let's say I make trinkets or whatever. This product is a silver necklace, right? And if you have a link to that product, you can put that here, and then you're gonna say it's silver beautiful necklace for women. And you'll put all the stats, specs, and everything like that in there. And any kind of keywords somebody's looking for, put in silver or necklace, anything like that. So you'll hit save, and this will be a product that is saved in the extension. I'm going to click cancel because my products are software. So now that you have your product in here, anytime you want to make a video specifically about that product, you can go in and open the panel here, and you'll see, of course, you are logged in, but you'll also be able to log into different channels that you have here. So I've got a couple of them. If I wanted to add another, I'll click on the add channel. We have a history tab here, and this is going to show any of the recent videos that you've uploaded. So let's go down this first panel area. So I have TubePilot up, I'm in the studio. How can this make my day a lot better? So the first thing is you have a radio or a checkbox here, and this is to use the channel context. So if you log into one of your channels, I have different channels for different purposes. Today we're at GovTools Pro, and if I click on that, it's going to go to the channel and look at all of the descriptions, any of the keywords, and all of that information. It's going to add it to the context. This is AI. It's going to add it to the context of your video. So GovTools Pro is a different extension than the TubePilot. So I'm going to uncheck this because even though I'm uploading it onto this channel, this particular product isn't necessarily associated with that. So I'm going to uncheck that. Here's the products that I've uploaded. So I'm going to click on TubePilot. And again, this context comes out of what we added in the pop-up there. So the product context, this is information specifically about this product. The channel context is coming from YouTube itself. Second, you're going to see apply via. So there's the DOM, and then there's the YouTube API, and here's both. So it checks the API if you have a certain context. YouTube provides you 10,000 units per day, and so if you want to use those, it's slightly faster. Using the API, I'm going to use the DOM just so you can see how it works. So the DOM is interfacing with your screen directly. Second is if I want to upload this particular video to any of my playlists. Again, this is separate from GovTools Pro, so I'm not going to pick any of those. So you're going to click on the file picker, and I'm going to pick on the most recent. It's going to go to your videos. If you're using Windows, it's going to go to your videos tab. It's defaulted there. So I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to click OK. Next is your visibility. Do you want this to automatically be published? Do you want it to be unlisted and published? Or do you want it to be private? This one's going to be private for now. Next, we have our advanced tab. And these are selections that you would find if you were uploading it yourself. So was this made for kids? I'm going to select no. Whatever language, the default language is English for me. Comments, do I want my comments on or off? I'm going to keep them on. Is this a paid promotion? No. AI altered content? It's not altered, no. Any additional context, you can throw that in there, and this is going to go to AI, and then you have your description. So what are we going to put in here? We're going to put basically any kind of information that's in your video that you want to be a part of context. So this particular video is a TubePilot Chrome extension. We did a short tutorial on the generator tab, as well as the pop-up and creating products. Cool. I'm going to put that in there. It already knows about my product, so it's going to pull that from there. And I'm going to click on, I'm going to copy this. I'm going to click on generate metadata. So again, it's going to go in and it's going to, I'm going to refresh this page. YouTube needs to be refreshed every once in a while. So we're going to refresh it. And this is normal. I'm going to go back and select my document here, and then I'm going to paste this in here. Okay, so we're going to generate some metadata from this information that we provided here. And what it's going to do is going to SEO optimize your title. Your title and description are actually really important because the words that you use in your title and description are going to be used for search engine optimization. So any of these words, if somebody were to go to YouTube and type in, I'm looking for Chrome extension information, or maybe something about YouTube, as long as I have it in here, it should show up in its results. If you put a poor title and or description, you're not going to be found. So that's why it's very important to have SEO optimized title, description, tags, in all these other tools that's integrated into this extension, including AI generated hashes, right? This is coming from my channel, TubePilot and everything else, right? And of course you can edit these things. Here are the tags again. And the suggested category is going to go into education. So I selected the DOM. We're going to go to TubePilot. I selected the DOM here to be applied in. And so what you're going to see is that it actually uploads manually. So I'm going to click upload and fill. And you're seeing all of the tags that we generated earlier. English as a language. I'm going to go select private. And there you go. So depending on what channel you are logged into, it's going to go to that channel if you're using the DOM or the API. YouTube does limit. Here's the TubePilot Chrome extension tutorial. YouTube does limit the number of units or tokens that you have available to you every day. So that's why the DOM method is available. So again, this is TubePilot. You can come and check it out. Go to the Chrome store and upload and enjoy. Thanks again for watching. My name is Michael Smith.